Work out all the negative integer values of x for which 3x squared is less than 48. If we start with 3x squared is less than 48, divide both sides by 3 and we get x squared is less than 16. Consider x squared is equal to 16. That gives me that x is equal to positive or negative 4. Now consider a number line. So let's put negative 4 here, 0 and 4. We know that when we're actually at negative 4 and 4, x squared is equal to 16. In other words, that means 3x squared would be equal to 48. What happens if we're over here or over here, say at negative 5 or 5? 3 times 5 squared, and 3 times negative 5 squared is the same, is 75. So that doesn't satisfy. But if we try any value inside here, such as 1, 3 times 1 is 3, which is less than 48. So the values that satisfy the inequality are all the values in between here, not including the negative 4 or the 4. If we want the negative values, that means it's going to be between 0 and negative 4. So we can say that x is more than negative 4 and less than 0. Now, in addition, we were told that these need to be integer values. Therefore, the ones that fit are going to be negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. So those are our answers. X is negative 1, negative 2, or negative 3.